Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna do a bike ride through Okinawa, and I'm starting at this park. I actually don't even know where I'm at. I've already been riding, and I was trying to think of some video ideas, and I think I just wanna try doing a vlog style, like what Kit does. I'm gonna take you guys on a journey. We're gonna just ride around Okinawa and see what we find. So let's go. So far at the park, we see a kid playing basketball. And we also got a drink, Match. How many of you guys have actually had Match? Because I originally tried it because of this branding. I love branding and I love the color combination. I'm all into business and stuff. But this light blue and this yellow look really good together. So I thought I'd try it. And it sort of tastes like Lifeguard, which is another Japanese drink. It's like an energy drink, kind of like Monster, Red Bull, but not as strong. I don't know how to describe it. Have you guys had Match before? Fun fact about houses in Okinawa, they all have these shisaws. They're called shisaws in front of them, shisaw dogs. The garbage trucks play music here, but he stopped. All right, guys, so I'm on the bike. I really don't have a way of mounting my phone to my bike, so I'm just gonna hold you guys. It's been a pretty nice ride. I feel like, though, I can't find any quiet streets. Everywhere I go, there's just cars. I even like duck into the neighborhoods and there's like a bunch of cars. I don't know where I'm at, but it's a busy area everywhere I go. I mean, I think I'm sort of on a busy street right now, but there's a San A over there. This is not a smooth road. Here's a store. Here's a San A. Sometimes the shisaws are like this, just mounted on a apartment complex. Not exactly the full shisaw, just the faces, you know? Also, guys, if you don't know, the sewer drain covers, the manhole covers, in Japan, they actually represent the area that they're in, which city you're in. So this one right here, you can see has bulls on it, bulls fighting. And that's because in Okinawa, I'm in Urumashi. And Uruma used to be a city where there was a lot of bullfighting. This is all throughout Japan, no matter which prefecture you're in. You can look at the sewers in Japan and they'll always be unique. And fun fact, that started in Okinawa, and Japan was really, the mainland Japan was really hesitant. This is from what I understand. Mainland Japan was really hesitant to implement it, and they even told Okinawa not to do it for a while. But eventually they caught on, and now it's all over Japan, and it started here in Okinawa. All right, guys, it's time for another drink. I'm looking at this. Karupisu, it's not normally 100 yen, but I got it, and it is 100 yen. It's Karupisu. It's one of my favorite drinks, and these are normally like 140 or 160 in a vending machine, but this is a 100 yen one. Pretty cool. These actually too slightly have different designs for the smaller ones. So this is a smaller sewer. You could see it looks a little different. It has a guy and the two bulls, and it says Uruma. And this one's smaller than the other one, but it's the same design. You can see size difference. I learned something recently too. These flowers here, I forgot what they're called, but they're, when you pick them, if you pick them, it's said to start raining. So unless you want rain, don't pick them. That's kind of the superstition. Makes houses. Look at that. These are new Panasonic homes. And it's windy, but we're ending at this park. Can you see the background? Let's see. There we go. So guys, that's it. I just wanted to take a bike ride today and take you guys with me. For those of you that haven't been to Okinawa in a long time, hopefully this is sort of nostalgic for you, just walking around the streets. That's it, guys. Subscribe if you want more about Japan or Okinawa. Like the video, and thanks so much, guys. Make sure you subscribe too, because that really helps me out. So thank you so much, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.